I'm just starting off with my hangover primer. Next, I'm going to take my MAC oil because I just want super hydrated and dewy skin. If you have oily skin, I would recommend you skipping this step, okay? Just act like it never existed. So I've been feeling super glam makeup looks lately, like just the ultimate glam. Yes, they're just so amazing. We're gonna go in with our NARS in the color Tahoe. This definitely gives me a nice tan. We're gonna just go in with our custard mixed in with our ginger. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our Kat Von D in the color Deep N66 for our contour. We're gonna set our under eye. Okay, so we're gonna go in with our DIY highlight that we made. This is just our NARS concealer. And we're gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Love Letter. Like, yeah, so we can actually see what's going on. The only thing that I could tell you guys to do is just to take your time, because I'm over here feeling like I have to rush and there's no need for that. I'm currently just diffusing this color out. This royal blue shade so it could turn into like a nice purple. So once we get it on there, we're gonna diffuse it out.
Radiance.